Hi everyone, look at this. It's a blizzard outside. Well, I wouldn't say a blizzard yet. They're like announcing, I don't know, something like 25 centimeters. Look at this. Still going. It's a little scary actually. It's just flowing good. Water's going down here. Notice yesterday, if you saw my video, I opened this up and actually look at it just keep on like spraying. It'll like spray randomly. Anyhow, yeah. We're expected to have, I don't know, 15 to 20 centimeters. Schools are likely going to be canceled tomorrow. Most schools were canceled today. My kids aren't back, so and this is why. And they actually didn't well, initially, like when I looked at it yesterday, it wasn't supposed to be this early, but anyhow, it's the way she rolled. But yeah, look at it. It's a winter wonderland. People are gonna like, we're done. He's singing. But yeah, like there's not a lot of, oh geez, I almost fell in. I slipped. Can't really see much. Only the stuff that I broke yesterday. So anyhow, there's not a lot to see. So I officially turned Santa off and turned all the lights off. The one thing I didn't do, I have all these lights here. We're just gonna keep the pond lit up just because I like the pond, and I put all these lights up, so we're just gonna keep them, at least for now. But all the stuff in the front, that's all off. No more Santa. You could hear him inside just buzzing, but hey, whatever, it's all good. Part of me wants to break this ice, but like look at that mound. It's craziness. Crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I took a video last night of my lights. A little final hurrah. So I'm actually going to attach it to this video. So if you want to see my lights, they're basically gonna come up very soon. So we are at 8,200 subscribers. Thank you. So please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification. Yeah, get notified when Harvesting Hick is posting stuff. But yeah, so if you could do that'd be fantastic. So I'm gonna leave it here, and I will post my video of my lights. All right, so here we are. All right, so this is the last day. Slow down elf crossing. My mighty Asian pair here. And we got the lights in the windows. I actually don't have my star going right now. And then the big one. Big addition. The Grinch. And then yeah, so we got the Santa up there with Rudolph and my sleigh I made. And then my typical here. And then all the lights all around. And then let's go check the pond. All right, so that, all the way around. No lighted balls. Normally I do that here. Not yet. I might still do them. And just the lights at the waterfalls. Look at this. Okay, let's check out this waterfall. And I got the lights up here. Look at that, eh? Isn't that cool, though? And then look at the ice. And all the water running. Pretty neat. So yeah, there it is. Another successful year. Bittersweet. Always is. Look forward to next year. So what'd you think? They're pretty awesome, eh? It's always bittersweet. Turning them off. But, you know, it's just got to happen. They can't be on. It makes you appreciate it when you have it on. Anyhow, you guys have yourselves a fantastic day.